So yeah, being in quarantine doesn't stop me from buying something on aint. So yeah, let us open what I have bought this time. Yeah, see you guys in a bit. So put the knife aside. So I bought 2 coffee items. So this is the first one, and this is I really hope it doesn't break and get expensive. So this one is basically just a small scale for my extraction, my Bianca machine later on. So this is to bring back home after I finish work. So, but this one I have aimed quite a long time now. Then I found a seller in Malaysia selling it, and the stocks are running real low. So yeah, I was tempted and I finally poisoned to make the purchase. So let us open with one hand. It's not easy. I catch you guys after I open it. Back, I have cut it open. So looks like the seller did a pretty good job in stuffing it with bubble wrap. Hopefully the courier guy doesn't do any damage on it. So yeah, came in still one piece. Yeah boy, this is the Notneutral, designed in Los Angeles by a American company. So this is the smoked colourway Cortado Cup. So this thing got some weight on it, yeah. So can't wait to pour espresso and also pour some very small volume lattes in this cup. But oh man, the quality is top notch. So I might enjoy this cup while at offshore for the time being. So put back all this in the box, and I will definitely soon brew some espresso in this cup. It's gonna be my new favorite cup. That looks very sick. Okay guys, that is just a simple unboxing video of my latest coffee edition. Catch you guys on the next one.